So how we will came to know one chemical reaction has taken place or not? There are four observations. Number one, change in state. That is the state of the reactants. It will change. It may be from liquid state to solid state, या solid state to liquid state, या liquid state to gas state, etc. So the first one, change in state, change in color, evolution of gas. There is a so many type of gas it will evaluate. For example, it may be hydrogen gas, it may be carbon dioxide, etc. And the next one is change in temperature. So the four observation how we will determine a chemical reaction has taken place or not. First one, change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, and change in temperature. The next topic it is going how we will came to know which are the types of reaction. The first type reaction is known as combination reaction. From the name itself it is clear, combination. There is a combination of something. In this one example is given whenever quicklime added with water. So the chemical formula of quicklime it is coming as CaO. Water we know it will be H2O. So what is the combination happening? Quicklime and water. Quicklime means it will be CaO and the state it is solid state and H2O. The product it is coming as slaked lime, that is CaOH twice. It is aqueous state only. So whenever quicklime is adding with the water, it will convert it as CaOH twice, that is slaked lime. Whenever more than two products combining and it is coming as a one single product, it is known as combination reaction. That is, a single product is formed from two or more reactant. Example is formation of slaked lime. How it is happening? Quicklime plus water. So whenever from two or more reactants it is combining and forming a new product here, whenever formation of a single product it is happening, it is combination reaction. Example, quicklime added with water, that time slaked lime ka formation it is happening. And some more examples are there, so many simple example. Burning of coal. Coal means it is a form of carbon, therefore C plus. Burning means it will happen oxygen, so C plus O2 gives it will be CO2. Next one, formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen. Whenever we are combining hydrogen and oxygen, there is a formation of water molecule. We know balancing of equation is compulsory. Only H2 plus O it is not possible. Therefore 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Next one it is coming that whenever two or more substance or elements combine to form a single product, that reactions are called the combination reaction. One more definition, two or more substance, that may be elements, it may be compounds, they combine to form a single product, that reactions are called the combination reaction. And in this case of this reaction, whenever there is a heat is releasing, in the case of any reaction, whenever there is a heat released, that type reactions are known as exothermic chemical reaction. In the case of any reaction, heat released, that reactions are known as exothermic reaction. Example, burning of natural gas. Natural gas means CH4. This one is burning with oxygen के presence में, then it will be carbon dioxide and water. So CH4 plus 2O2 gives carbon dioxide plus water. It is very simple. Natural gas it will be CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Another exothermic reaction it is coming as respiration. In the case of respiration, we know there is a breaking down of glucose it is happening. So the breaking down of glucose it is C6H12O6. It is happening with the combination of oxygen and water. And balancing के लिए we have to use it 6 only. Therefore C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O gives 6CO2 and 6H2O plus lot of energy. There is a releasing of energy. Because of that, respiration also, it is a exothermic reaction. So once more, it is first one, it was combination reaction. Next it is exothermic. Combination reaction means a single product, it is formed from two or more reactants. It is known as combination reaction. Example, quicklime added with water, that time slaked lime. Otherwise burning of coal, that is coal means carbon ka form. C plus O2 gives CO2. Next, exothermic reaction. In the case of any chemical reaction, there is a formation of heat, it is happening, that it is known as exothermic reaction. Next, it is coming as decomposition reaction. Whenever a single reactant breaking down, this breaking down, it is using, sometimes they will use heat, sometimes they will heat light energy, that is sunlight, sometimes they will use electricity. For the decomposition or for the breaking down, which type energy is using? Sometimes it may be heat energy, sometimes it may be electricity, sometimes it may be sunlight. So at any time a single reactant breaks down and give so many other products, that it is known as decomposition reaction. First example, it is coming as decomposition of ferrous sulfate. Chemical formula of ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. Chemical formula of ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. Whenever heat it is applying, it will decompose, and the products are ferric oxide, Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide, SO2 plus SO3, sulfur trioxide. So ferrous sulfate, it is happening decomposition whenever heat is applying. The products are ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. And here in ferric oxide, it is coming as Fe2. So for that balancing, in the left hand side, it will come 2FeSO4. So the balanced chemical equation 2FeSO4 gives Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide SO2 plus sulfur trioxide SO3.